It's the best time of the day, dinner time. You're feeling a bit creative, so you hit the kitchen to cook. But uh-oh, it's not an inspiring place to be. Dodgy oven, tired and faded surfaces, and not enough room to swing a chicken. Looks like greasy takeout again. But what if you had a new kitchen that inspired you to cook? Bring out your inner Gordon Ramsay or Jamie Oliver. You love cooking but need a great environment to cook in? Time to give Liberty a call. We are the kitchen supply and installation specialists in the Dundee and Angus area. We have a great range of contemporary and classic kitchens to choose from. If you crave sleek lines and sophisticated style, a contemporary kitchen may be for you. Choose from our supply of kitchen units, appliances, accessories and worktops to create the perfect modern look for your home. Or perhaps you're a keen cook already and prefer a more traditional kitchen. The extensive use of natural wood and calm, neutral decor can fit a more classic look in your home or reflect your personal taste in food and timeless style. If you're looking for your dream kitchen, why not see what we have to offer at Liberty? We supply dozens of traditional and contemporary kitchens in an array of styles and colours to suit all tastes. The kitchen is the heart of the home where family and friends gather for a hearty meal after a long day. Bring the family together and get a great kitchen. Call Liberty today.